Hello student, today I will discuss second type of differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to function of x upon function of y or function of y upon function of fx। कहने का मतलब अगर dy by dx में फंक्शन ऑफ x एंड फंक्शन ऑफ y बोथ दोनों आए, दोनों वैल्यू या दोनों वेरिएबल अपीयर हो तो हम इस इक्वेशन को वेरिएबल और सेपरेबल टाइप कहते हैं। इसमें यह किया जाता है कि जो x के वेरिएबल होते हैं उसे dx की तरफ ट्रांसफर कर लेते हैं और जो y वाले वेरिएबल होते हैं इसे dy के साथ ट्रांसफर कर लेते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल 5y dy इज इक्वल टू fx dx। कहने का मतलब कि उस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल को हम उसके कोफिशिएंट के साथ इन्वॉल्व कर लेते हैं, अटैच कर लेते हैं, जिससे इंटीग्रेशन आपका सेपरेट हो सके। नाउ इंटीग्रेट बोथ साइड। नाउ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 5y dy इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ fx dx प्लस c। कहने का मतलब अगर किसी फंक्शन में कोई डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में दोनों तरह के फंक्शन है, वेरिएबल ऑफ x है, वेरिएबल ऑफ y, तो हम वेरिएबल ऑफ x को dx के साथ dx के साथ और वेरिएबल ऑफ y को dy के साथ आप ट्रांसफ़र करके और इसके इक्वेशन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल dy by dx is equal to x upon y। Now this equation is written y dx is equal to x dy is equal to x dx। Now transfer y in left hand side and dx in right hand side। Now integrating both sides, so integration of y dy is equal to integration of x dx। Now y square upon 2 is equal to x square upon 2 plus c। This is the required solution of given differential equation। In this type, solve exercise number 18.3। exercise 18.3। now in exercise 18.3 question number first, exercise 18.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट से सॉल्व डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन dy by dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस y by x। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। नाउ सॉल्यूशन dy by dx is equal to minus y by x। This differential equation is written in the form dy upon y is equal to minus 1 upon x dx। Now integrating on both sides 1 upon y dy is equal to minus integration of 1 upon x dx। As we know, integration of 1 upon y is equal to log y is minus log x and arbitrary constant log c। Now transfer this negative value in left hand side, log y plus log x is equal to log c, and the basic formula of log y plus log x is equal to log y into x is equal to log c। That implies taking anti-log x into y equal to c, This is the required solution of the given question. Now question number second is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon y plus sin y. Now transfer these value in left hand side to y plus sin y dy is equal to dx. Now integrating on both sides, so y dy plus sin y dy is equal to integration of dx. Now y is equal to integration of y square by 2 cos integration of sin y is equal to minus cos y and x plus c. This is the required answer. Question number 3 is written here. Question number 3 says 3e to the power x 10y dx plus 1 minus e to the power x sec square y dy is equal to. Now variable are separable. Type question 10y dx is equal to this value transfer on right hand side 1 minus e to the power x sec square y dy. Now transfer the variable in 3e to the power x upon 1 minus e to the power x dx is equal to sec square y upon, this value is negative, upon 10y dy. Now transfer these value 3e to the power x 1 minus e to the power x dx plus sec square, this value whole value transfer on the left side y upon 10y dy is equal to 0. Now integrating on both sides, so this is the integration on both sides. Now 3 is here, this value is log integration of this value is log 1 minus e to the power x, and this is the negative sign, and plus log 10y is equal to 0 या is equal to c. Now transfer these value log 10y log c भी कह सकते हैं, log 10y is equal to this value transfer on the right hand side 3 negative will be positive log 1 minus e to the power x plus log c. This is the required answer. Now in similar way question number 5 dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x square whole upon 1 plus y square. Now this equation in the written in the form 1 plus y square dy is equal to 1 plus x square dx. Integrating on both sides, so dy plus integration of y square dy is equal to integration of dx plus integration of x square dx. Now integration of dy is equal to y plus y cube by 3 is equal to x plus x cube by 3. Now transfer these value, all value transfer in left hand side, so y minus x plus 1 by 3 y cube minus x cube is equal to c. This is the answer. Now question number 6, dy by dx is equal to e to the power x plus y plus x square e to the power y. Now dy by dx, this e to the power x plus y is written e to the power x into e to the power y by the property of exponential plus x square into e to the power y. Now e to the power y is common here, e to the power x plus x square. Now dy by dx, that implies transfer the variable dy by e to the power y is equal to e to the power x plus x square into dx. Now integrating on both sides, e to the power minus y dy is equal to e to the power x dx plus x square dx. Now this is minus e to the power minus y is equal to e to the power x plus x cube by 3 plus c. Now transfer these value, e to the power x plus e to the power minus y plus x cube by 3 plus c is equal to 0. This is the required answer. And in similar way, question number 9. Question number 9. dy by dx is equal to sin x into sin y. Solution: dy by dx is equal to sin x into sin y. Now transfer these values, dy by sin y is equal to sin x into dx. Now this is cosec y into dy is equal to sin x dx. Integrating on both sides, now integration of cosec y dy is equal to integration of sin x dx. Integration of cos y is equal to log cosec x minus cot x log cosec y minus cot y minus this is equal to minus cos x plus c. Now this is the required answer, log cosec y minus cot y plus cos x plus c is equal to 0. This is the required answer. Thank you class.